What if you could earn money while you sleep or travel the world? How would that change your life? Imagine a stream of income that keeps flowing into your bank account, irrespective of where you are or what you're doing. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream but a reality for many. Welcome to the world of passive income. Passive income in its simplest form is money that you earn without actively working for it. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? However, it's important to understand that while the income might be passive, creating it isn't. Think of it in contrast to active income, where you trade your time for money. You go to a job, clock in the hours, and get paid for those hours. It's a one-to-one correlation. But with passive income, you're breaking free from this equation. You're creating something today that continues to earn money for you tomorrow, next month, next year, and beyond. The benefits of passive income are numerous. The most obvious one is financial freedom. No longer are you tied to a 9-to-5 job or dependent on a single source of income. You have the freedom to choose how you spend your time because your income isn't directly tied to your hours. Furthermore, passive income provides flexibility. You can work when you want, where you want, and on projects that you're passionate about. It allows you to live life on your terms. But let's not paint an overly rosy picture here. Creating passive income streams is not a walk in the park. It requires preparation, planning, and a fair bit of hard work up front. You need to be willing to put in the time and effort today to reap the benefits tomorrow, and above all, it requires patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your passive income stream be. It's a journey, not a destination. You'll face obstacles and setbacks, but with persistence, they can be overcome. Indeed, passive income doesn't just happen overnight. It requires preparation, patience, and a pinch of persistence. You might be wondering, is passive income just a pipe dream? Absolutely not. Let's delve into some real-life case studies. Take the example of Sarah. Sarah was a hardworking teacher with a passion for personal finance. Recognizing the power of investing, she started to dabble in the stock market. With patience and a keen eye for emerging trends, she built a robust portfolio. Today, she enjoys a steady stream of dividends that supplements her income. This didn't happen overnight, though. Sarah had to learn, adapt, and persist in her journey. Then there's Mark. Mark was an everyday Joe who decided to turn his property into a source of passive income. He converted his basement into a rental suite. It took some upfront investment, but now he has tenants who help cover his mortgage payments. Mark's story demonstrates how real estate rentals can generate passive income, but also highlights the need for upfront investment and ongoing property management. Next we have Lisa. Lisa was a passionate home chef who started a food blog. She shared her unique recipes, cooking tips, and restaurant reviews. Over time, through consistent effort, her blog gained traction. She monetized it through advertising and affiliate marketing. Now, she earns a passive income from her blog. Lisa's journey shows that creating valuable content consistently can yield a passive income stream, but it requires dedication and time. Lastly, meet John. John was an avid fitness enthusiast who capitalized on the popularity of fitness gear. He set up an affiliate marketing website, promoting and reviewing various fitness products. For every purchase made through his site, he earned a commission. John's case is an excellent example of how affiliate marketing can generate passive income, but it also underscores the importance of choosing the right niche and building a reliable online presence. As you can see, these individuals didn't have a magic wand. What they had was a strategy and the determination to see it through. Now you're probably asking, how can I start my own passive income journey? The first step is to identify your interests and skills. Are you a great writer? Consider starting a blog or writing a book. Do you excel at graphic design? Think about selling digital products or templates online. Once you've identified a potential passive income stream that aligns with your interests and skills, it's time to take action. Start small and set achievable goals. If you're writing a book, aim to write a chapter a week. If you're selling digital products, start with one product and gradually add more to your portfolio. Next, you'll want to invest in learning. There are countless resources available online to help you master your chosen passive income stream. Consider taking online courses, joining communities, and reading relevant books. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about your chosen field, the better equipped you'll be to succeed. Remember, building a passive income stream isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. You might not see immediate results, but don't let that discourage you. Keep working at it, keep learning, and stay persistent. Embrace failure as part of the process. Not every venture will be a success, and that's okay. Failure gives you the opportunity to learn and grow. It's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Lastly, keep in mind that your passive income stream should be something you're passionate about. It's much easier to stay motivated and committed when you love what you're doing. Your passion will shine through in your work, attracting customers and driving success. As you begin your passive income journey, remember to celebrate small victories. Every dollar earned, every new customer, every positive review is a step in the right direction. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Building a passive income stream can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You're not only creating a source of income, you're also building a life of financial freedom and independence. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, but dream big. To recap, we've taken a deep dive into the world of passive income, exploring its power and potential. We've unveiled the mask of this financial strategy, revealing the benefits it can offer, such as financial freedom, flexibility, and the ability to earn while you sleep. We journeyed through real-life case studies painting vivid pictures of individuals who've successfully harnessed this income style. They've shown us that it's not just a concept but a tangible, achievable goal. Finally, we laid out a roadmap for you to kickstart your own passive income journey. We've given you actionable steps like identifying your skills, investing in assets, and leveraging platforms that can help generate consistent revenue without active involvement. Remember, mastering passive income is a journey, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and keep your eyes on the prize: financial freedom. Because when it comes to passive income, the end goal is more than worth the effort it takes to get there.